Boiler Repair Accelerated Training Guaranteed. If you're a new or existing engineer who wants to have the highest technical skills in record time, then you're in the right place. Because our online accelerated training will install in your brain the technical know-how in gas and electric boiler repair, heating systems and controls we've gained over the past 25 years. Our superior boiler repair skills have given us one of the highest Google reviews throughout the country. Visit our Google review page and you'll see how satisfied our customers are with our boiler repair skills. Now, I'm going to show you step by step what's in our Boiler Repair Accelerated Training course. As you may have gathered, our accelerated training is an online course. That means you can learn from the comfort of your home, or you can learn on the go. And if you need some urgent technical information or a recap on something, you can access the course anytime you want 24/7. Now, let's look at our accelerated training in more detail. With our unique online course, you have two main sections. Modules 1 to 4 cover the theory videos. We see this as the foundational section. Modules 5 to 10 cover the practical videos. We see this as the hands-on section. Module 1 covers the mindset needed to become a masterful engineer, how to serve your customers, standard operational procedures for great customer service, basic gas safety. Module 2 covers boiler parts familiarization of standard and high-efficiency boilers, from actuator to diverter valve, expansion vessel and fans, hot water heat exchangers, potentiometers to pressure gauges, boiler parts familiarization overview, bringing everything together, multimeter functions. Module 3 covers gas and electric boilers, heating systems and controls. Differences between gas and electric boilers and their application. Differences between various types of heating systems and their operation. Thermal storage with renewable energy and underfloor heating systems. Differences between the various types of cylinders and their operation. Heating controls demystified. Module 4 covers Gledhill hot water and heating systems, plus flow sequences on Baxi Duotech, Valent Ecotech, and Worcester Greenstar. Module 5 covers Baxi Duotech parts removal and replacement, diverter valve cartridge and actuator motor, left-hand hydraulic block and hot water heat exchanger, expansion vessel, burner and fan unit, condensate trap, replacement boiler parts overview. Module 6 covers Valent Ecotech parts removal and replacement, boiler parts familiarization, main burner and fan assembly, flow sensor and or turbine, spark electrode, fan unit and hot water heat exchanger, replacement boiler parts overview. Module 7 covers Worcester Greenstar parts removal and replacement, flow unit, hydraulic block removal, dismantling the hydraulic block, return unit replacement, fan and spark electrode, gas valve replacement. Module 8 covers Worcester Greenstar replacing PCB, Worcester Greenstar expansion vessel removal, multimeter practical testing, Honeywell S-Plan fault finding, Honeywell Y-Plan fault finding. Module 9 covers Honeywell Y-Plan practical explainer, Honeywell Y-Plan real-life roleplay, Heattray Sadia Electromax hot water function, Heattray Sadia Electromax central heating function, Heattray Sadia Electromax thermostat and immersion heater replacement, Heattray Sadia Electromax pump replacement. Module 10 covers Heattray Sadia Electromax heating element removal, Heattray Sadia Electromax heating element replacement, Heattray Sadia Electromax heating element testing, Heattray Sadia Amptec C600 flow boiler PCB replacement, unvented cylinder fault finding. The accelerated training is not just about watching videos, as you might do on YouTube. We combine the videos with our specially constructed questions and answer system, so your learning is enhanced by at least 70%. Become competent and confident fast. To learn these skills by yourself could take you 3 to 5 years, but by adopting this learning technique, you will slash that time to less than 6 months. This is your guaranteed way to become competent and confident fast. Our Boiler Repair Accelerated Training course is guaranteed 100% risk-free. Just click the Start Learning Now button today and see you on the course.